Alright, next up on the chopping block and last item for this session, because it's way too hot out, is this completely rotten ceiling fan. Like, look at the blades, they're all peeling. This is what they look like. Oh, they're all soggy. Oh, it's disgusting. I'm just gonna beat it up so I can scrap it. Also, did I forget to mention that it's vintage? So everyone's gonna get really mad about it. I'm sure it worked perfectly fine and wasn't just rusted out. Not very much to break on this. That's basically it. Thanks for watching.